Welcome to Token Tool Hub, your ultimate knowledge hub for blockchain, Web3, and the future of digital money. In the next 20 minutes, you'll discover how Token Tool Hub helps anyone, from beginners to professionals, understand, navigate, and thrive in the decentralized economy. The world of blockchain and cryptocurrency is exciting, but also overwhelming. Thousands of tools, endless jargon, too many scams. People enter Web3 with hope and leave confused, or worse, scammed. That's why Token Tool Hub was created, to cut through the noise and give you one place where learning, tools, and trust all come together. Token Tool Hub is an educational platform, a community, and a resource center, built to guide you through the fast-moving world of crypto, blockchain, and AI-powered finance. We publish detailed guides, explainers, and tutorials. But unlike most crypto websites, we make them clear, structured, and practical. Every post is designed to teach you what matters, without hype, and with direct steps you can take today. Our content is divided into categories, so you can learn step by step. Blockchain basics. Learn how blockchains work, what makes them secure, and why they're the backbone of Web3. From Blockchain 101 to consensus mechanisms, you'll see how digital ledgers are changing money, identity, and trust. Crypto wallets and identity. Your wallet is your passport to Web3. At Token Tool Hub, we explain wallets in depth, from seed phrases to smart wallets, from hardware devices to multi-sig security. We also cover Web3 identity, ENS domains, decentralized IDs, and the rise of soul-bound tokens, DeFi and staking. Forget banks. Decentralized finance lets you earn yield, borrow, lend, and trade without intermediaries. But DeFi is full of risks. That's why our guides break down AMMs like Uniswap and Curve, staking mechanisms, and yield farming, all in plain English, with security at the core. Smart contracts and dApps. Blockchain isn't just about tokens, it's about programmable money. Token Tool Hub walks you through how smart contracts work, why they're revolutionary, and how decentralized apps are reshaping industries. Layer 1s, Layer 2s, and scaling. Ethereum, Solana, Polygon. Optimism. We break down the difference between L1 blockchains and L2 rollups, explain why scalability is the biggest challenge, and show you how to choose the right networks for your projects. Security and best practices. Web3 security isn't optional, it's survival. We cover the biggest risks, from phishing and drainers to smart contract exploits. Every guide includes actionable steps to keep your funds and data safe. AI tools for Web3. Token Tool Hub doesn't just look backward. We're exploring the frontier, where AI meets blockchain. From AI trading assistants to smart contract analysis tools, we show you how artificial intelligence is reshaping finance. The next decade will be defined by digital assets, decentralized finance, and AI-driven systems. Those who understand the tools will thrive. Those who don't, risk being left behind. Token Tool Hub is here to make sure you're on the right side of that divide. But Token Tool Hub isn't just a blog. We're building a community. Through our integrated platform, powered by Peepso, you can register, create a profile, and interact with other learners, investors, and builders. It's not just about reading guides. It's about networking, sharing insights, and staying ahead together. Every course page isn't just a wall of text. We include interactive quizzes so you can test your knowledge. Whether it's Blockchain 101, DAOs, or security practices, you'll learn, apply, and remember. Unlike clickbait crypto influencers, we don't push hype. Every piece of content is backed by research, simplified for clarity, and optimized for SEO so it reaches the right audience. That's why Token Tool Hub is positioned to become a trusted voice in blockchain education. Here's where we're going, expanding our knowledge hub with 100+ detailed courses, adding video explainers and walkthroughs for every key concept, building premium digital products, including guides, templates, and AI-powered research tools, growing a global community of Web3 learners and professionals. So here's the truth. The Web3 revolution is already happening. New wealth, new risks, new opportunities. Token Tool Hub is your compass in this new digital world. Subscribe now to stay ahead, join our community, and take your first step toward mastering blockchain and Web3 today.